into a different type of video. Some of you don't already know, I take welding. I've already finished my stick welding courses, arc welding. Now I'm going to go into MIG in the fall possibly, and then TIG, but right now I'm doing some MIG work right now. I've messed around with this gun enough to figure out how it works. So I'm going to be making some basic shooting target stands. Basic idea, you have a piece of metal for your feet, a metal plate, and you just weld it on there. But first, let's start with get it lined up with a simple pack. Alright. Back to the side. And I'm going to do the... See, I got it tacked in here, and I'm going to put the bead straight across here, and I have a little shooting target, so when you shoot it, it falls over. Of course, you paint it white, so this would be a lot of fun. You can make a lot of these in a little amount of time. So let's get to welding this one. I do tap these sides right here just to be sure, but you don't have to. That should do it. I mean, as you see, you got the bead here, not going anywhere. Target stand ready for operation. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's different from my normal videos, but welding class, thought I'd show something. See you in the next video. I know I should make more content. I'm going to try that. Publish more hair related stuff, but here's something a little bit different from what I've been doing. So, hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.